It is Wednesday. You know what that means? Time for some game dev. Let me get a good old game dev on the screen. Gonna do some stuff and things. Things and stuff. Hey, Shadow. So, Shadow, you can decide. Anti-tank rifle or grenade launcher. Because you're the first one in chat. Grenade launcher. I knew you would pick that one. So let's steal this whole contraption because it's good. I need to wake up the hubby, so I leave support of lurk. Thank you for the lurk, Tina. When is your next stream? And the white dev coming in with the meatball cannon. Quite fitting, don't you think? You grenade launcher. So, we have a copy of that. Now let me. No, no, no! April 28th. Tina, this is 9 days.
Talk to me.
Why is the text in the music? You're taking a break? How dare you? They're all taking breaks these days, you know? And that's why you need to hang out here, right? I never take breaks. I'm German. Everyone taking breaks and be like, oh, think about my work-life balance. No, it's work-work balance. That's what we do around here. Alright. How do grenade launchers even look? Let's do some of the good research, right? When I turn 40. Yeah, I know, my phone will inform me. To do a dumb joke, I already forgot. But I will remember it when it pops up. I'm confident. Vehicle mounted grenade launcher. Do we look the same shorts? Is it the guy that's just holding that thing and says shoulder mounted grenade launcher? Yeah, you keep going. Say hi to hubby from me. But I don't know he knows who I am. Who cares? You can go for something like this, right? Alright. I saw this guy in a green coat like from the 1800s standing there in the first scene. This thing in his hand. Shoulder mounted grenade launcher. And that's when I scroll further. I told you, I knew it. Sometimes you ask me if I know this short, or you give me a random piece of information. I'm like, yeah, I just saw this Joe Rogan clip or something. It's like the foot movement. I know I saw this on Joe Rogan. Or somewhere. I saw it somewhere. That foot movement actually burns a lot of calories. We don't want it automated. Oh, we should have gone with all automated stuff. Yeah, Andrew Haberman. Could be. Yeah, now I click this. Now I'm on Twitter. What are we even doing? That's not even the one I wanted to click. Alright, so we have this and that and this and that. Yeah, we can do that. No problemo. Yeah, have you seen knee mortars? The Japanese used in World War II? Those things are scary. I need a short barrel. Of course we do. Just add this. Now it's on the same level. Oop. Oop. Oh no.
Easy. Now you try. First, get a job. Get a rocket launcher.
Yes.
Hey, Sully. How's it going, mate? That's the gun from Elden Ring. There are guns in Elden Ring. People play Elden Ring. Isn't it like 6 weeks old by now? It's getting a new app. New updates, I have heard. Please don't make me rant about Souls games, cause this is gonna take a while. Alright. What I like about techno music, because currently we're listening to techno, someone who didn't notice, it didn't change since the 90s, so you always know what you can expect. Well, I didn't even try Valhalla, right? It sounded so cool in theory. And then I was like, do I really want that? Right? We all know, and you can get yourself banned if you want to by arguing the case, but we all know the best Assassin's Creed has been made. So now someone wants to be in the chat, wants to be very brave and tried to figure it out. And after I didn't really like Origin, I just was there to look at the architecture and I played Odyssey to look at the architecture. The story was boring and the illusion of decisions. The illusion of decisions. That's probably right. Because they didn't matter at the end at all. But I give you that. Oh, what was her name? Cassandra? She was hot. Oh, Shadow. Shadow, no. Black Flag is the best Assassin's Creed. And the best pirate game. Oh yeah, I would argue it's the best one, right? It had the most interesting story. Well, yeah, I give it a case that the Assassin's stuff came short. But it's the one I enjoyed most. That's a hill I'm ready to die on. Now recently, just to have a random topic switch. Recently I was confronted with the question on Facebook, I think, Facebook or Twitter, where indie game devs were discussing would they take an exclusive deal with Epic because of the bad reputation. And I was sitting there and everyone was like, no, I would never even think about that. And I was sitting there like, yeah, you f***ing would. I have seen your game. If they offer that, you go on your knees to get this. And I was of course thinking, would I take an exclusive deal with Epic? That depends on the offer, right? That's my take on it. If the offer is really good, go in it. Hold up, bro. Okay, now he's coming in. Yeah, I would, yes. No, it's not dangerous ground. If they say, hey, this is the money and we play Grand Wish Foundation, I would be like, yeah, there's a license I want to have and it's currently in the hands of a big company. They use it for bullshit. I want that. They go like, yeah, give us like 3 days. I would go like, yeah, you have a new friend. You have a friend in me. Oh, they don't do that anymore, right? You can actually go down to 6. Be like, yeah, no, 6. It's a big franchise. Because after all, right, it's all about the offer. If they say, nee, then you don't have to do an Epic exclusive. But if they say, yeah, you know what, that's a good deal. And yeah, there's a license, and if they say, yeah, we can give you that, I would be like, yeah, let's go. So now everyone can think about, yeah, what license would that be? Oh yeah, that's actually true, right? People pay lots of money to play earlier than everyone else. It looks like... Oh, that's the wrong tool. Ah, they look like it's not even me. Or maybe we go for some for the similar thingy. Bank. Hang on. And now it opens the text file. Or maybe we get rid of everything. Yes. Dead. Dead. Yeah, but anyway, the beta. Yeah, Tini's Wonderland, right? I don't know why. What is it? Gearbox is so far down that alley. Because it doesn't make sense for me. Because it's a lot of because. So it doesn't make sense for me why they always go for the exclusive on. I even forgot the name of the game. No. Borderlands. 2K, yeah. I don't know why 2K always goes for Borderlands. Because it doesn't seem to be that good a moneymaker. And I guess that's also what Volition broke the neck. Or broke Volition's neck. Because if they wouldn't have gone exclusive, then people wouldn't have known that the new Saints Row. And then more people would have bought it to find out it. You can argue what you want. I was a big fan of the Saints Row franchise for a long time. And if you take the fun out of a fun game, then you made a mistake. You know? But yeah, if the deal is right, I would go with Epic. Yes, I think maybe that the guy who made the new Saints Row was on his way out already and was like, you know what? My last game was not really good received. Let's make a worse one. So my game looks better. Could be. We don't know. Which would actually be quite smart. But we all know Volition is no longer. They paid the price. And I mean, if you don't look at how other companies kill their franchise slowly, right? Then you're just doomed to repeat it. Doomed. Yeah, it was a hold my beer situation. It's like when was it Call of Duty or Battlefield? I think it was Battlefield 5 where one of the spokespersons said, if you don't like it, don't buy it. And as soon as the publisher realized, yeah, that's exactly what they are doing, he was asked to leave his desk in a clean state on his way out. As someone who wants to own a video game company, I would say, yeah, that's the exactly right response. Ian could have made a statement, made it public. Yeah, he's gone. Because that's utter suicide. Telling your customers to not buy your product? Yeah. We don't do that around here. Ah, that would have been such a good plug for a merchandise store. We don't do that around here. You should buy this mug. Exactly. And I mean, we have big names that failed because of that, right? Which product are you saying is your company's product? But I mean, you're not the salesperson, right? That might be the difference.
Don't cry.
Not saying it's... Ah. Saying not to buy it? Yeah, but I think that's different, right? You're not the head of marketing. And as far as I remember, this guy was the head of marketing. Yeah, that's the reason you're not marketing. It could be true. There's truth to that, right? I mean, I would probably call this guy into my office and be like, hey, take a seat. So I was looking through your latest tweets, and there's just one question that emerged. Are you stupid? Security's on its way. Your desk has been cleaned. I wish you all the best. Yeah, I mean, you need to be born for customer support, I think. It's like the video I sent you. No? With the customer support. Your program doesn't have a co-op feature. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, but the salesperson said it would. Hang on. Why did you tell him that? Well, I was hoping it's implemented before he notices it's not. And it's true, and I know that because when I was working at the zoo, we had this till software for the whole cashier system. And they actually sold features that were just not there. They just said, yeah, they definitely will be fully implemented. So where's the feature? Yeah, we're kinda not working on that. We kinda need that feature because it was part of the last version you told us is old and needs replacement. No, that's bad. We'll find a workaround. You better find a workaround now. Because I'm about to get pissed. Because I can't do good until you are done with your shit. so often moments where I was talking to somebody in this support. And I was just like, how the f is this company even operating? I mean, the best thing was, right, it's Friday and there's something not working. I don't remember what it was. But I call them, be like, yeah, this and this is not working. And they're like, oh, yeah, that's not good. Have you tried this, this, and this? I'm like, yes, it's not my first rodeo. And then the guy's like, yeah, hang on. I'm 5 minutes in a waiting line. And he's like, yeah, our colleague is not here yet. Please call later at around 5. And then he will be here and can help you. I'm like, alright. So, me and my colleague, right, we're sweating at this point because it's 16:45. We are out at 16:30 usually. So, we call them and be like, yeah, is the colleague there yet? No, he's not here yet. Please call later. I'm like, can't we just wait? It's like 15 minutes. We can wait. He's like, no, just call later and everything will be fine. We call on point 5 o'clock. And the message is, so this voice tells us the message, you're calling outside of our company operating hours. Yeah. A language switch. Yeah. That's some BS. Yeah, it is. It really was. And after that, I told them, yeah, no, you will get someone on the phone right now. Because if not, I'm gonna sue you because breach of contract. Alright, 5 minutes starting jetzt. Hallo Jonas. Wie geht es dir? Ich hoffe, dir geht es gut. Leider habe ich heute deinen Stream verpasst. Ich habe gesehen, dass du gestreamt hast. Ich habe es wahrgenommen. Wie war dein Stream? Was hast du gemacht? Einfach komplett auf Deutsch zu quatschen. So muss das. Oh, kann man ein bisschen breiter machen, das Ding. Kommt ja auch von Können, das ist richtig, ja. Wie sind denn die Granatenkisten angebracht? Ich glaube, die hängen da nur. Ich bin gut, Stream war auch gut. Sehr gut. Lass ich durchgehen, lass ich durchgehen. Ach so, die hängen da nur. Okay. Ja gut, dann brauchen wir das ja gar nicht. Funktioniert, Jonas, keine Angst. Moment, nein, wir können das Ding dran lassen, dann brauchen wir nichts animieren. Heißt. Weißt du? Machen wir hier so ein bisschen Dingsbums und hier ein bisschen davon. Alles klar. Bis zum nächsten Mal, Jonas. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Gute Nacht. Seht ihr, funktioniert doch. Langsam aber sicher lernt ihr alle ein bisschen Deutsch. Ja, Ja, komm, aber auch dabei lernst du doch was, oder? Meinst du nicht? Ich hab gesehen, dass ich das hier ein bisschen... Na komm, das Lied könnte so in den 90ern gelaufen sein. Nun sei mal nicht so. Sei doch mal ein bisschen locker flockig. Voll der Groove, Mann. Voll der Groove. Gibt's ein deutsches Wort für Groove? Ja, lass mich das überprüfen. Rille. Furche. Nutte. Natürlich. Kehle, Kehlung. Wieso benutzen Engländer das? In dem Kontext. Ah, wegen Schallplatten. Ah, macht Sinn. Ergibt absolut Sinn. So, wenn wir davon ausgehen, dass das Ding irgendwo aufsitzen muss. Was ist ja... Das brauchen wir übrigens nicht mehr. Nein, ich konnte es mir nicht ganz ansehen, weil ich war da in so einer Sache. Ich kann dir nicht mehr sagen, was die Sache war, aber ich habe heute einen Haufen Sachen kaputt gemacht. Pupi. Es war nicht Pupi, nein. Ich habe halt überlegt, ich könnte ja mal in einer halben Stunde ein Hauptmenü zusammenklickern für mein kleines Projekt, das ich nebenbei mache. Weil es war genau noch 30 Minuten zwischen, das wollte ich fertig machen, bevor ich Workout mache und jetzt fange ich mein Workout an. Währenddessen habe ich meine gesamte Map geschrottet, die Engine abstürzen lassen. Oh, the timer's over. So I crashed the engine. I destroyed my initial map, which means it's just not working anymore. And every time I started the project, it would just crash over and over again. So I had to discard some files and write them new. Now it starts again, but my map is gone. Which is, in this case, in my small project, not very problematic because it just was a table. A shitload of lighting effects and the starting point. So I probably can fix it tomorrow or maybe tonight. But then I decided I can just give up. That for today. No. Because I don't know what I did, right? I loaded a new map. I was like, yeah, that's a new map. That's the main menu map, right? You have fixed camera and you have some stuff on the table. And then it said, yeah, I crashed. And when I reloaded it, it probably started to override map data or something. It wouldn't load anymore. Yeah, that was my time today from 11:30 to 12. And I was like, you know what, I should lift heavy stuff. Then I was sad. Or it could be Dr. Evil again. So now I'm confused why you don't have the moderator sword and the burst anymore. The chat. Explain yourself. So how do you want to be? Oh, and it's back. So how do you want to be Dr. Evil? Well, I could, that would then just work on the main menu, not fix the other map. Alright, 3 days ago we got Ekvan and Blippi who followed. That was a Sunday. It's probably, yeah, that's a Captain Coda raid. Alright. Alright. Well, you know what? We can do something similar to that. We can lift this up. Take this handle with her. How the hell do they do? Oh right, I'm not smart. We need to rotate this right around this point. Because they're having those outside. No, not like that. So I'm expecting Arte to be streaming later. Oh, he's celebrating because he had his last exam for a long time. And he wanted to be more active. So, might see him. Yeah, let's build some sort of recoil slide. Whatever they're called. I officially have done everything I semi-planned for today. That's good. Congratulations. 1 hour and 20 minutes before the clock. Proud of you. Oh, look, a Spanish soldier. Oh, that's scary, holy. Hey, look at those things. Have you ever seen them wreaking havoc? Yeah, I shouldn't do this. I was told to not do this anymore. Well, this time it's just a bunch of stuff. You can have a look. It would have been okay today. There we go, MK19. And they're not accurate. Give you that. Did you do the Überidiotenkram again? What do you mean? Oh no. Opening YouTube? Yes, I did this. But it was just for a second. No, it's not that bad, I swear. Not even that many memes. It's one Balenciaga meme that shows a somewhat controversial figure. It's not that bad, I swear. I'm a man of my word. I don't know, there's this new meme showing up where they dress popular characters in Balenciaga fashion. Just go on YouTube and go and then type by Balenciaga and you get all those memes. You have like every anime, every like Lord of the Rings and Pirates of the Caribbean. Right, so the dead center of this is sitting right in run. That's what I'm doing wrong, right? So what's wrong with Balenciaga? I'm really not up to date on all this stuff, right? I see a meme, I laugh about it, and that's it. But these days, apparently at every point... Oh, shit. Alright, I didn't know that. Just heard a bad fashion brand. But CP, that's... I agree, that's very bad. This stuff is great, right? Yeah, no, these days you really need to make a full-on check on a meme. It's like, I think it was an Irish Jones channel where I just made the joke, now that he has a publisher, what color is his Bugatti? And I just saw this meme everywhere, but apparently you can trace it back to Andrew Tate. And I was not aware of that. I don't know. Holy hell. I should stop making jokes. Holy hell. Yeah, I need to make more background checks on my memes. Like have a lawyer sitting here and every time I want to make a joke, I tell him the joke, look over, he's researching. And then he nods and I make this joke. Know when the moment is gone. Yeah, so if everyone felt attacked by my mentioning of the fashion brand Balenciaga, I quite frankly don't give a what you think. I was aware of the you don't like me, that's really not my problem. The centers of yeah, of course we started researching fun stuff, why not? I think that Peter Griffin did. I don't know the Family Guy thing. Is he consulting a lawyer? Oh, it's this meme. Oh, yeah, sure. And then he breaks his neck. And I know this one. We need more rail here. Recently, I'm in some sort of Twitch community full of artists, right? They speak about AI. I shouldn't tell them that I use AI all the time to generate 2D pictures. Why pay an artist $150 when you can just type some prompts? The best part is, you can ask ChatGPT to write you a prompt, describe the thing you want to see, and it will write you a prompt for the AI. That, my friends, is peak AI usage. And quite frankly, I can't wait till it's able to do 3D properly. Holy hell. That will be so awesome. Do you know how much of my time modeling stuff is modeling stuff I don't want to? A bit. Like, do I want to design a casing for a machine like this grenade launcher? I rarely understand how it works. No. Google added learned Bengali. Just looking at small bit of words, something like. Oh, that's interesting. No, but I heard the story about the AI that killed itself after working for 15 minutes. Have you heard the story about the AI killing itself? Yeah, it was basically the AI got a robot, and the robot was tasked with taking boxes and putting them on conveyor belt. And it did this for 50 minutes, so it's basically a low income job, right? It's a low skilled labor. And after 50 minutes it stopped. And then it checked if it makes sense to continue this because there's no end. And then it shut off. And that's how the AI killed itself. I wish I was looking for the video yesterday. Ah, that could be the video. Be excited, look at it. I might find it. Yes, that's the video. They did this for 15 minutes. And then it shut off. And the programmers found out that yes, indeed, it didn't saw a purpose in continuing. So yeah, if you want to research, you know now how. Enjoy as much as you can. But yeah, we know now how to kill AI. Let it do human tasks. Yeah, that's really hard for people who look at this video in their lunch break and be like, hey, that's my job. That's my job you're talking about. What do you mean AI kills itself? Yeah, let's put a scope on it. And then we can go ratatata. I will not continue this meme because I'm German. Oh no, I guess. Alright, nice Jeff Bezos story. So I heard this story, I can't confirm if it's true or not. But there was a warehouse, an Amazon warehouse, and Jeff Bezos was visiting it to check in, which he apparently does, which makes sense. And he found those monitors all over the company, so for like training and displaying stuff that's currently important. And he didn't like that, so he did his duty there and left and called someone to remove the monitors, but let the monitor handles, so the things they're screwed in, hang as a reminder to not waste money. Yes. That's a statement, right? So Sally, what are you currently doing? Just hanging out? Are you doing something productive? Wait, did we shout out Tina?
Alright. I think we're good, baby. Yeah. I think we're good. Yeah.
I made this clip. So Tina has a dog. Oh damn, it's smoking time. So I shall be right back when we finish up the scope. That was totally planned. Just wanted to show you that I have water if someone wants to redeem a hydrate. It's right there. Be right back. I will do that. Pull it back. And we're having water. Oi, oi, oi. Tasty water. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hydrate as well. Hydration is important. So what we can do, right, is make a really nice scope. Hang on. Damn big. I had to answer. Someone who had a blender question. Alright, let's double down on that, but Yeah, that should work. Doesn't. Yes. Still looks off. Alright, let's start again on that. I screwed that up. So Shadow, how was your work day? Balenciaga. That's a statement. So what are you doing, Sally, huh? Just coming in here. Chilling, or are you working on something currently? What's going on in the Sully world? Just memeing. That's good. Where would this world be these days without memes, right? I mean, memes give us purpose. Arduino. I don't know what it is, but I will find out live on stream. Right. Ist eine Software- und Hardware bestehende physical computing platform. What are you doing with that, huh? Building robots? I knew it. So, you know, to make everything easier on yourself, you might want to start a robot that builds robots. Because I think if you want to build a robot army, right? The hardest part is to have enough robots. But if you start with a robot that builds robots, then you're on the safe side there. Let's give it a sci-fi appeal. What was that? Rough Knight Shield 100 bits, mehr Waffen. Damn, Rough Knight. Thank you for the biddies, my friend. How yeah. I'm honored by your kind gift. And I don't know how to react because that rarely happens. I should have learned by now how to react, but it happens so rarely. So I could start on an anti-tank gun, right? And I probably will. Because I kinda like anti-tank guns. Let's give the bad boy some details. It's mostly consistent of doing this and just adding them to this layer. And then basically have some sort of shape. Also can do stuff like this. Then we have it like this, and then we have different plates. So let's detail the magazine a little bit. So probably what we will do on next Wednesday. You know what? Because you gave me some biddies, I will change the music. Hang on. I don't mind the music at all, so I can offer you classic rock. That's the closest we get to metal right now. Because it's very randomized. Yeah, if you enjoy my content, right? I have a YouTube where you can have... Can you look at my streams? You missed one. Or my YouTube shorts. And I think that's everything that's going on there. But actually, today I was for a big part listening to... Oh my god, I forgot the band name already. Dragon... White Death Help. Wait, I can check this. Dragon something. God damn it. Dragon Force. Damn it. So yeah. Yes, Dragon Force, exactly. Sully. Exactly. And I kind of fell in love with the song Through the Fire and the Flames. Cause it's so good. Three hammers. Oh yeah, and the drums I imagine being really hard. I watched someone play it on the drums and holy hell. My heart will go on, that's how it started today, so the three hammers. I will have a listen to that later, definitely. Three hammers by Dragon Force. I'll just open this up so I can listen to it later. After the stream. Because it's probably copyrighted. So yeah, I don't really have a favorite genre of music, so I can listen to basically everything. Which is odd for some people, but I really don't mind because I don't have a favorite anything. There's just probably some weird way of expressing autism or something. I guess some psychologist will find some autism in that. Something like that. It's probably childhood trauma. Trauma, not drama. You know what I mean. Actually wanted to detail this, and for that I need to have a look at one of the magazine boxes. I mean, I can basically do what I want, it's fantasy. But at least some stuff. There we go. So it is just a standard arms thingy. No, ammunition box. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, that will break if you drag on it. There we go. I mean, we can't pop open the little hatch here. One and this one. Like that. There we go. Ain't too shabby. Oh, that is kind of shabby. What happened here? There we go. It should all be in the right folder, am I right? Of course not. Alright, let's steal the new MG handgun this time. Copy that. New underscore anti-tank rifle. Which, surprise, surprise, just a large rifle. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. So what we gonna do is stuff. What's the smartest thing we're gonna say today? What we're gonna do is stuff to clear up any confusion. Confusion. Game, it's been 1.5 hours. Already done. Holy shit. Confusen. Wen? I am very confused. Alright. What we gonna do? Oh, you know what we're gonna do? Start with the exactly white death, the Confusstrahl. So I just randomly checked. Rough Knight is streamer. How did I not know? Best Blender user ever. Okay. Yeah, let me give you a shout out. You have videos? Yes, you do. 19 days ago. Someone is on a break. As I saw it in a quick moment, it's Godot, so if you're interested in the Godot engine. There you go. A random fact. A random fact. Shadow coming in with the random facts, and I'm not totally buying time by just babbling and babbling, right? I'm actually just excited to give you that random fact. Random fact that is the shortest full-length novel ever written is only 55 words long and is titled I Have No Mouth and I Must Scream by Harlan Ellison. Totally not buying time. I would never do that. Never. So did you know that? Shadow, did you know that this is the shortest novel? I didn't know. I always thought the shortest novel would be something like the biography of a stillborn. It was so distasteful. Holy hell. Yeah, I did good research on that. Absolutely. You're actually changing the list. This is a possibility. No, you don't. I mean, you're keeping it updated, yes. But I saw that you wanted to research some stuff. And I can't remember that I saw this fact before. So let me look at anti-tank rifles. Excuse me for the coughs. It's right on the top. I don't even need to scroll. Did you notice that we have 3 facts about the shortest war and everyone is claiming to be a different country? Just asking. Mister, I do good research. Alright, Sticks. Sticks. You do that. You lurk and enjoy your event and tell me tomorrow how it was. You lurk away. Which reminds me, I wanted to change the lurk command a bit. Which I'll probably never do. Let's face it. Alright, it's good that you noticed that. It's everything I wanted to know. Right. That's really classic. Damn. Do 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 do. Maybe I should. Oh. So it's 23:37. We can now have bets. Will Mabus show up? Let me look at modern sniper rifles. Sniper rifles. And we can do something like that, right? What is it called? Oh yeah, that's the L3 something. Yes. Ignore everything you see there. Yes, the garage sniper. Which is totally not built by 3 guys in a shed. This story is so amazing. Yeah, British gonna Brit. I think there's so many problems with my rifle already. First of all, no. First of all, we put it here, right? And then we take the rifle and move it around. Makes more sense. Right, I have on laying. Yeah. Yes. Just get the rough shape correctly. From there we improvise, adapt and overcome. Ach. Oh shit. That was not part of the plan. There we go. Wow, I'm smart. So smart I made the same error twice. Extremely smart. I need to concentrate now. Oh, fuck. Practical NPC coming in with a group of 10 people. This is too handful. How are you doing? How was your stream? I hope it went great. What did you do? Welcome everyone. I'm just here doing sniper rifle stuff. I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Just building my sniper rifle after I built my grenade launcher. Where is it? It is. Which will be a vehicle mounted in the end game. It just plops on a vehicle. There's some light level design, pretty lazy. Did you solve your light issue or concerns, better said? When you go into, oh no, what did you call it? Nimbus or something? Where everything switches colors. you know, where they get inverted, and you didn't like the inverting. The inversion? What's the word? Hope you know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking gibberish. Yes, the inverse colors. Exactly. They haven't solved it. Hey, takes time. Some point you will be like, oh yeah, that makes more sense. Speaking from experience, in my city builder, I couldn't get buoyancy running. I was constantly battling the buoyancy because ships were flying off, you know, like helicopters. At some point I was just like, you know what, I don't need fully 3D animated ships. I can just make a tabletop. Then I ended up with the tabletop solution. Had little ship miniatures shipping across the map. That was a good decision until I stopped the project. I'm still standing behind this decision. And I will eventually return. Better, stronger with a team of 15 people. And we just pop it out, make millions. Pretty standard Saturday pizza party stuff. Oh yeah, it's that easy, you know. The money's on the road. Just need to pick it up. That's the work you put in. And it's not easy for everybody, right? So the trick is you have the connections already, right? And they say, yeah, okay. You have like 3 AAA titles you can make and they are all successful and will etch your name in the halls of greatness. So it's done deal, right? Years before the games even get made. So it's clear. And then we pretend to struggle like everyone else. That's how the business goes, you know? That's exactly how it goes, I tell you. Yeah, just be better than anyone else on the planet. What's so hard, right? You have a defined goal. Go out and reach it. And there are people who struggled with way more, right? Way more. They did it. Yeah, I mean, it's always a question of on the perspective. Exactly. Half money. Half money. Half. I just call you money. Yeah, just be better than anyone else, and you did it. Have money. Ooh. Have money. Oh. Have money. Yeah. No, I mean, everyone has. Well, no. Not everyone has the potential, let's face it. But if you have the dedication to pull through, you can do it. Right? And sometimes I see games and I'm like, yeah, I'm not sure if there's a market for that. Which isn't a problem I see with your game. Because your game looks great, it looks like it plays great. I never played it, so I can't have. I'm also not a platformer guy. But if I would have encountered it the first time I saw the video, hey Shady, I would have said, yeah, that's probably some experienced studio. Because the movement looks smooth, the animations look smooth, the graphics look smooth. So are you a professional? Practical? Are you? Exactly, right? Saw your name on the list. The other devs that will make it. I said, oh, I remember this name. Somewhere I knew it. You, like me, have a studio. 60 people, probably. Oh, 20. You got a 20. Yeah, right. You make pixel art. It makes sense. I'm going full 3D, right? Just pretending here. Just sitting in front of a blank screen. I don't even know what you're seeing. It's just some 3D artist in India doing all this stuff. So that's a big secret of the indie game developers. Really think they're indies? Come on. Come on, guys. In a market this big, I mean, video game entertainment is what, the biggest market? You think there's like freedom? Anyone can do it? Yeah. People still buy the story that some British guy made Harvest Moon for PC and made millions out of nothing. People. Yes, it's reparations because we are all Indians. That's why we can be indie devs. So now you know how the indie developer scene works, right? Our nightly meetings and stuff. We decide who makes it next. Like the plan. Then we have timing so we don't get into the area of anyone else. One game of one genre at a time. So now we put a subdivision on that. Now we figure out what the oh hell. So alright, then we can scrap this. It's actually true. I forgot the name, but there is this guy who became a Marine a doctor, and an astronaut. Right? Basically, every childhood wish what people want to become, he just did it. No, not Johnny Sins. God damn it, Shady. Yeah, that Asian dude. I think he's American. I think Johnny Sins just has a lot of internships. He's probably some you know, like those guys who do documentaries for Vice. That's probably his job. He shows us how stuff is made, you know? I didn't even have a look, I just saw it before the stream that you sent me something. So I couldn't have a look. It's really useful, alright, I will have a look. And I thought some sort of dating advice. You suspect it's useful for me? I don't think so, right? How did I screw that up? Okay, let me get this solidify off because it's annoying. So this is the base model. So we need the one there. That's the one we are missing. That's the one we are missing. Oh, it's 12 already. Holy moly. That went quick the last like half an hour. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. So, if any one of you has a raid target and is like, hey, you need to check out Streamer X because he is cool, interesting to watch, entertaining, absolutely unhinged, whatever it is, just send it to me and we will have a raid. If not, I will just choose someone from my list. Then you have to live with this decision, well knowing you could have had an influence on the matter. Boink. I can get rid of the babble. Will not be a wise idea. Yeah, I can finish it after the stream or tomorrow. We can add this one. Alright. But nobody wants to give me a suggestion. Just have a look. Yeah, I need to fix this later. Alright, let's have a look. Yo! There are not many people online. We have Cricket, we have Sean, and Incarne. I really would love a suggestion today. Anyone? Oh, Shady, god damn it. Alright, man. I will just ship you off to Cricket then. I'll just drop you somewhere boring. Tell the streamer to f*** off. Can do whatever you want. I'm not your dad. Because then I wouldn't be here. Oh look, that's me. Es wird wild. Goes the galaxy world. Big titty robot. Developer DevShackle. No, I just ship you off to Cricket. Yeah, but it's a female robot. Don't know if you're into that. So if we rate Cricket more, right? Then he owes me money. Alright, yeah, I mean, whatever floats your boat, Shane. Alright, we're rating Cricket because nobody had a suggestion. So, I thank you all for watching. Thanks again, Rough Knight 86 for the 100 biddies. Thanks for the raid Practical NPC. And thanks for the follow, Half Money. I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. For instance, that I can make guns. And a random fact. We had a random fact. That was quite interesting. So, I see you all on Sunday when we do probably the same, but longer. Or next Wednesday when we do the same, but not as long as Sunday. Maybe we do some map work on Sunday. We will see. Alright, I see you all next time. Bye bye.
I want to talk to you.
Hold up, bro. Okay, now he's coming in.